The command ribbon is this entire area. It replaced what used to be a text-based menu system in older versions of Excel. From the command ribbon, you can execute various commands such as copy, paste, bold, and wrap text. The ribbon is divided into groups of related commands. Each group has a section name. The section names, which I've highlighted, are listed across the top of the ribbon. What you see in your version of Excel may be different from mine depending upon how your preferences have been set up. Also, there are additional sections of the ribbon that are only displayed when you're working with certain things in Excel, such as charts. When you click one of the section names, you'll see that the set of command icons below it changes. For instance, if I click the Insert ribbon, you'll see a different set of icons than you see when I click the Home tab. Next to the command ribbon tabs, you'll see a search option. This can be used to look for a command you can't find. With the large number of commands available in Excel, it's not always easy to remember which ribbon tab they're on, so the search feature can come in handy. There are a couple of other icons next to the command ribbon tabs that aren't a part of the ribbon, but I just want to mention them while we're here. The two icons are the Share icon and the Comments icon. The Share icon allows you to make your document available to others, and the Comments icon is for adding notes to your document that may offer an explanation about something. This can be helpful if several people are working on the same document.